This is Eric Sauvé, Z Power Diver. So today we're going to be looking at the pet project part 2, where I'm looking at the previous model that I've built with the object detection part of the AI Builder functionality that is now available in the Power Platform. Going back to the previous story that you can find on my blog, I'll put the address below. You can find the introduction about the pet project, how I've built the initial model, so I won't be walking through that again today. We'll just focus on the actual Canvas app and how I've worked the second model. So, first part I've done was to generate a new model, because the previous one I had with the pictures of the kittens that were 2 weeks old, sorry, ended up being an 89% score. Now I've reintroduced new pictures, created a new model, and I obtained a score of 96%, just so you kind of know what we're based on. From there, what I did was just click the button. So within my models, I have my new model that I trained with putting all the pictures. Again, look back at the article, you'll get all the details. Here I went to create an app. Pretty straightforward. Getting in there, I figured, okay, I'll get my app. No, I have to go through using a template. So, okay, let's create it from Canvas app, tablet form. So, demo, YouTube, pet project part 2. Let's create it. So this opens up the studio with the right account, and in there what I'll get, I figure, is a new application that will have all the right components in there, that I'll be able to right away go and take pictures. No, what I have is a blank application. Okay, so I have to do all the work. Why did they put that button? Anyhow, so here I go in Insert, have this AI Builder preview, and if ever you don't have those items AI functionality, again, go back in my blog. There should be a, if you do search on AI Builder, and you'll find an article there. I'll put the reference below the video. So going back here, pretty easy. AI Builder, I use one of the 3 components available. Object detector, put it in there. I'll be a nice guy, I'll rename it, and I'll put that June 21st OD. I'll pick the right model, so in this case it's the June 21st. So I've got my AI model here. I'll just drag it here. Boom. Okay. Now, this will allow me to go and, if I do a preview, pick an image, this one here, select it. That will send the actual image to the AI model object recognition that I've trained, process it, and it will return me the results. So if I look at here, right on the picture, it tells me it detected 2 objects. One is the kitten named Turtle, and the other one is the actual mummy, the mother. And here it seems to be looking at the same area. But I don't have all the details, so we'll go down here. Please don't show me this again. Okay? So the way to actually view the results is what? We'll include a gallery. Just float it below. And in there, we'll, okay, let's just resize this. Boom. Here, we'll just use title and subtitle. And again, be a good guy. I'll rename this. So June 21st, gal. And in terms of data, what I'll do is use my OD there. So June 21st OD dot visual objects. So this provides the list. So we see we have the list of tags that I used in my training model. So all of them. And the ID. ID is not so useful, so I'll change that. And what do we have in terms of options for the fields? Display name is already there, the ID, and the count. So we'll put the count there. Remove the little arrow. So I get all the counts that were triggered here. So now, why do I see the zeros? Kind of useless. So let's filter this out. That filter. Look at the count. Greater than 0. Boom. So now the only ones I see are the ones that I detected. Pretty easy. Okay. So now I want to compare the results to the new model. So I'll just lower this. Boom. Add a label so I know this is my June 21st. So let's just do this here. And of course, I can put all this nicer and take the time, but just for the video, I'll just do quickly like this. Okay. Let's just boom. Let's make it just a bit bigger so we see it. Okay. So, got my filter, got my object detection, got my label. Let's just copy and paste that over. Oops. Oh, darn. Okay, let's do it again. You know what? When I do things like this, I feel like Shane. Live errors. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's the Gala one. Let's move this guy on right here. OD1. Let's move it here, and then label 1. Boom. Here 2. Let's rename this July 7th. And I hope you, American friends, whoever looked at this, had a great long weekend. So let's just rename this July 7th OD, and the gallery, same thing, July 7th. Now, here, is it looking at the right one? July 7th OD, yes, count greater than 0. But here, the model is not the right one. So let's go and pick the July 7th. And let's go and preview. Pick the same image. What do we have? Same picture. Let's see how it processes with the new pics that I included in the training. June 21st, turtle and mommy. What do we have here? Tuxedo, yay! And turtle. Awesome. So that's perfect detection. Now, kind of wonder here how it is with the actual model if I go and use what the facility is here in terms of quick test. So let's go on to June 21st, and let's pick the same picture again. And of course, here on my PC, I'm picking pictures that are in folders, but if that be on an actual tablet or phone, could take live pictures of those little kittens. And even if Joel doesn't like, or I think Joel finds those cats ugly, I think they're pretty cute. What do you say? So here, what do we have? Turtle, no mummy. Turtle 43% versus in the application I had mummy. I don't have percentages here. I don't have it in the name here. I don't have it in the data. So that would be a part that could help me find out which one it feels more confident in finding. Also maybe the area, things like that. But nevertheless, we see the point that when the image, like the kittens in this case, grow, we need to retrain the model. And also some facilities that could be better, like giving data on the percentage, maybe the area, things like that. It could automate, and this way I could focus just on the cases where the percentage confidence level is low. Like if we look here again on the training, it's 43%. Probably in this case I would look into it. So that's about it. In about another month, I'll come back and see how the model has adapted at the growth of the kittens. Hope you appreciated it. Please go and subscribe.